Every banking executive knows compliance is a tough balancing act between speed of operations and quality of investigations, and it's not getting any easier. Despite ever-increasing industry spending on fighting financial crime and money laundering, conventional approaches to AML are still slow and highly ineffective, constantly putting organizations at risk of non-compliance, fines, and revenue loss. The reasons are clear. A wide variety of documents come in all shapes and formats, from spreadsheets to PDFs to database search results. Information must be checked and updated among many disconnected systems and third-party databases. A huge number of alerts must be checked, with the vast majority of them being false positives. Finding a true positive is like searching for a needle in a haystack. The conventional approach of throwing more people, time, and resources at the problem does little to solve it, while also creating massive organizational debt. There is a better way. Leading financial organizations streamline their anti-money laundering operations with WorkFusion's automation platform. Automation augments your existing workforce and core banking systems, reduces manual work, and significantly expands teams' coverage and capacity, decreases task backlogs, and improves compliance. Best of all, these solutions can be deployed within a few weeks without the need to replace existing systems or IT infrastructure. Leveraging these unique capabilities has enabled financial organizations across the globe to achieve remarkable results. Millions in cost savings, dramatic reduction in false positive alerts, decrease in the manual effort required for AML. How does it work? Document intelligence and AI bots retrieve, digitize, and classify documents, news articles, or other data sources, and extract relevant information. Human-in-the-loop and machine learning technology enable employees to efficiently handle exceptions. Operational analytics offer full transparency and centralized insights into your AML operations, which drives efficiencies across bots, people, and processes. It's quick to start and easy to scale. Start with one solution and scale rapidly across processes, functions, business units, and geographies, all within a secure, all-in-one automation platform recognized throughout the industry for its unmatched ability to handle complex document and data-heavy processes. Conventional approaches are creating organizational debt. You need a solution that eliminates it. Intelligent automation is scalable and sustainable, proven to save money, time, and effort, while creating a better experience for employees and customers. Find out more at WorkFusion.com.